Today's topic is to swap the two numbers in the list. We are going to solve this problem using the basic approach and a pop method. So what we are going to do in the basic approach is we are going to create a function named the swap and passing the three parameters, that is list, position 1 and the position 2, which we are going to swap. Here we have a one liner code. What it's going to do is it's going to swap the element of the position 1 with the position 2 and the position 2 element with the position 1 respectively, and then we are returning our list. Now in the driver code, you might be wondering what this is all first about, right? So I'm taking the input from the user for the list and I'm splitting them out while giving them space in between them, and I'm joining those splitted elements to create a list after that. And in the position 1 and the position 2, I'm again taking an input from the user and splitting them out, and then we are printing the output of our function. Now I subtracted the -1 value from the position 1 and the position 2 because we start the list from the zeroth index.